Hello students, today we will learn how to split the middle term of a quadratic polynomials in one variable. Students, I have observed many times, many students get difficulties in splitting middle term. So, I have discovered a long but very easy method to be understood. And initially you will find it is very long, but when your concept will be cleared, you can remove some unnecessary or unusual parts of example by own self and make it shorter. First example is x square plus 32x plus 252. So, first we multiply last constant term with the coefficient of first term x square, which is 1. We need to find 252 multiplied 1 is equal to 252 factors, of which addition must be plus 32. Now, question must be raised that why only addition? Because you can find plus sign is there at 252. That means addition or subtraction, it depends on the sign of the last term, third term, constant term. Now, we should factorize 252 by prime factorization method, and in the end we will get all the factors in the form of 252 is equal to 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 7. After some attempts, we get two factors as the group of 2 multiply 7 is equal to 14 and 2 multiply 3 multiply 3 is equal to 18. So, 14 and 18 are the factors of which addition is 32. And addition is possible by two ways. First way is minus 18 plus minus 14, that means minus 32, and second way plus 18 plus 14, it gives us plus 32. In above two ways, we keep a thing in our mind that greater absolute value 18 will be the first with its sign, and then only smaller value 14. Here in the question x square plus 32x plus 252, there is plus 32x in the middle term. So, we will choose the second way in which the result is plus 32. So, we factorize it further like x square plus 18x plus 14x plus 252. Next, x multiply x plus 18 multiply x plus 14 multiply x plus 14 multiply 18. Now, in first and second term, what is common? X, which is in yellow shaded part. So, x is a common factor, and in bracket x plus 18, bracket close. Now, in third and fourth term, you can find 14 as a common factor. So, 14 will be common, and in bracket rest of x plus 18 as it is. Now, further x plus 18 is a common factor in the last second step. So, it will be again common x plus 18 and in another bracket x plus 14, and that is the answer. Now, in second example, x square minus 39x plus 380. So, first we multiply last constant term with the coefficient of first term x square, which is 1. We need to find 380 multiply 1 is equal to 380's factors, of which addition must be minus 39. Why addition? Because as usual plus sign is there before 380, and so we have to find factors, all the factors by prime factorization method of 380, and we will get it in the form of 2 multiply 2 multiply 5 multiply 19. After some attempts, we get two factors as the group of 2 multiply 2 multiply 5 is equal to 20 and 19 itself. So, thus 20 and 19 are the factors of which addition is 39. And addition is possible by two ways. First way is minus 20 plus minus 19 gives us minus 39, and second way plus 20 plus 19 gives us plus 39. But in the question, as we see, minus 39x is in the middle term. So, the first way in which we have been given minus 20 minus 90 is equal to minus 39 is the proper way to find correct answer. So, further next step is x square minus 20x minus 19x plus 380, and further factorize it by x multiply x minus 20 multiply x minus 19 multiply x, and the last term plus 19 multiply 20. What is the next step? In first term and second term, we find that x is only the common factor. So, x in bracket x minus 20 bracket close, and in third and fourth term we will find 19 is the common factor. So, 19 will be outside of the bracket and in bracket x minus 20. Here something new that we find, minus 20. In the previous step we will find plus 20, and now in this step there is minus 20 in the bracket. So, we have to remember a sentence which I am going to tell you. While creating bracket or removing bracket, if minus sign is outside, then all the signs inside will be changed. That means we are going to create a bracket, and so plus sign of 20 become minus. So, now in last second term, in last second step we will find x minus 20 is common. So, final answer is x minus 20, and in other bracket x minus 19, which is the answer of the given polynomial. Now, in the third example, x square plus 13x minus 168. So, first we multiply last constant term with the coefficient of first term x square, and which is 1. We need to find minus 168 multiply 1 is equal to minus 168's factors, of which subtraction must be plus 13. Okay. Why is there subtraction? Because minus sign we can find before the last constant term 168, and that is minus sign. So, now we will find all the factors of 168 by prime factorization method, and we will get it in the form 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 7. After some attempts we get two factors as the group of 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 is equal to 8 and 3 multiply 7 is equal to 21. Thus, 21 and 8 are the factors of which subtraction is plus 13. Subtraction is possible by two ways. First is minus 21 plus 8 gives us minus 13, and second way plus 21 minus 8 gives us plus 13. But plus 13 is given as a middle term. So, second way in which the answer is plus 13 is the right way to find correct answer. So, x square plus 13x minus 168. Next step, x square plus 21x minus 8x minus 168. Now, further we factorize x square as x multiply x plus 21 multiply x is the second term, then minus 8 multiply x and then for the last term minus 8 multiply 21. Now, in the first and second term, we will find x as a common factor, which is in yellow shaded part. So, x will become the common factor in bracket x plus 21. In the third and fourth term, we will find 8 as a common factor. So, minus 8 become the outside of the bracket and in bracket x plus 21. In the last step, as given above the step, in the last second step, x plus 21 is a common bracket. It will become the first one, and in second bracket the rest of x and minus 8 in the form of x minus 8, and this is the answer of the polynomial. So, these are two factors of the given polynomial. Now, in fourth example, 7 root 2 x square minus 10 x minus 4 root 2. So, first we multiply last constant term minus 4 root 2 with the coefficient of first term x square, and it is 7 root 2. We need to find minus 4 root 2 multiply 7 root 2, and 4 multiply 7 minus 28 multiply root 2 multiply root 2 2. So, 28 multiply 2 is equal to 56. So, here minus 56 factors, of which subtraction must be minus 10, because minus sign is there at 4 root 2, which is the last term of the polynomial. To do so, we have to find all the prime factors of 56, and it will be in the form of 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 7. After some attempts, we get two factors as a group of 2 multiply 2 is equal to 4 and 2 multiply 7 is equal to 14. So, here 14 and 4 are the factors of which subtraction is minus 10. Now, subtraction is possible by two ways. First way, minus 14 plus 4 gives us minus 10, and second way, plus 14 minus 4, it gives us plus 10. But minus 10 is given as a middle term. So, first way is the correct one, as you can see, because in the first way we will have answer minus 10, and minus 10 is the middle term. So, 7 root 2 x square minus 10 x minus 4 root 2. Now, we know that the absolute value of greater number 14 will be the first one. So, in second step 7 root 2 x square minus 14 x and then plus 4 x we will write, and in the last term as it is 4 root 2. Now, important step is coming. 7 root 2 x into x. We factorize the first term 7 multiply root 2 multiply x minus. Now, we will factorize 14 as 7 multiply root 2 multiply x, and in the third and fourth term there are factors like plus 4 multiply x minus 4 multiply root 2. In the next step, what will be the common factor? 7 root 2 x, which is in green shaded part. So, 7 root 2 x will become common factor, and in bracket rest of x minus root 2. Now, in third and fourth term, what is the common factor? 4. So, plus 4 and the rest of in bracket x minus root 2. Now, in this last second step, which bracket is common? X minus root 2 is common. So, x minus root 2 become common factor, and in another last bracket 7 root 2 x plus 4. So, it is the answer. Students, if you like this video, just like the video and subscribe our channel, and if you have any query or any question, Just comment below, we will give the answer. Thank you.